It is recorded in Sanchit Karma. The next type of karma is the Prarabdha Karma. Now, each individual soul is allotted a fraction of Sanchit Karma. That is Prarabdha. For example, one person, we have seen this, one person works for an hour and earns in millions, whereas next person works for 16 hours in 50 degrees Celsius and yet is under poverty. It is because of our prarabdha. We call it the fate. It is not in our control. It's not our choice. We didn't choose. Like, I don't want to be a dog. I want a human body. We didn't choose it. That woman has really great fame. She looks beautiful. She's sanskari. That man earns really well. They don't seem to have any genetic disorder. I better get birth in their family. No, we didn't choose it. Or, I don't want this nose. I want a bit smaller. A brighter skin tone or bigger eyes. We didn't choose it. Prarabdha is the reason why one is rich, next is human. One is a beggar and next is billionaire. One is spatially able and one is very strong physically. If we do not agree the principle of Prarabdha, then the entire creation is grossly partial to the creatures. The next type of karma is the Kriyaman karma, or we call it karma. Unlike Prarabdha karma and Sanchit karma, we have full access to this Kriyaman karma, because this is the karma we perform in the present time. One gets the lottery of 1 million. It is Prarabdha. But investing it somewhere or gambling with it is our free will. It is Kriyaman karma. The Kriyaman karma is so powerful that it can change the course of our life. Because today's Kriyaman karma is tomorrow's Prarabdha. In Kriyaman karma, we can perform either of the karmas, like the good karma, the bad karma, or the mixture of good or evil karmas. Scriptures say the good karma leads us to heaven, the bad karma leads us to hell, and the mixture of good and bad karma leads us to Mrityulok, that is the material world. Scriptures say we cannot remain idle. Even when we are in our house under the blanket, we keep on thinking things, and that is karma. To conclude, Sanchit karma, it is the sum total of all the karmas which is yet to fructify. The Prarabdha karma, it is allotted fraction of Sanchit karma, and Kriyaman karma, the karma which we perform in the present. We have only access to the Kriyaman karma. There are various types of sticks, and we pick up the one. When we pick up one stick, we automatically choose the next end of stick. Meaning, when we choose our karma, we automatically choose its results. So, we need to choose our Kriyaman karma or karma wisely. The present has given us power of choice. So we must choose our Kriyamar Karma wisely. And all our focus should be on doing good at present. So, do good, be good. Radhe Radhe.